Hey guys, my name is Sid. I'm the founding engineer at Supatest.ai. Our aim at Supatest.ai is to ease out your test creation and management journey. Now, for that, today we will be looking at a feature called Global Search. In Supatest dashboard, if you need to access this feature, you can just come on this navbar or press Command K. Now, after you pressing Command K, this central modal will open, which is a search bar. Now you can just directly search, and there are few parts to it. One is this modes, and there in this part recent searches also appear. Now let me search something, AI usage page, and as you search, if the same result is of different entities also, that you can differentiate with the icons and the metadata. Here AI usage page is also a folder and a test case. You can easily differentiate with the icons and the metadata. Now let's say I just want to search a test case with AI usage page. Now this is the mode that I have used called test cases, and it will only give me results from the test cases only. And in similar way I can use this folders and search AI usage page, and it will give me result for that folder. So this is how you can leverage these modes as such. And let's say you have search AI usage page, and from here you can copy the URL and open it in the new tab also. Now there is a shorthand for these modes also for the power users, I would say. So you can use TC tab to activate any mode. Let's say I want to activate variables mode, or I want to activate maybe issues mode, so I will just type this. So these shorthands are also listed on the documentation, you can check it out. And this was the video about global search.